So, I guess yun nga upon sharing dun sa mga naging inaatupag natin way back. Ang talagang ang laki ng epekto nung naging pandemic ang laki ng naging epekto nung pandemic ini-imagine na ano kaya yung ginagawa natin or potential na gagawin natin kung hindi nag-lockdown, no? Like would it be still the same as
Puti
before?
pa rin.
Parang same lang no? Kasi
Not
get
for me.
not for you. Sige,
No.
care to
No,
elaborate.
no,
Ayun,
not
ikaw
for
rin
I
me.
Will.
say
Si
no.
Sean
Yeah.
muna.
Alright. Kasi let me
Oh,
for
parang
one,
seryoso.
like I really wouldn't. For one, I really wouldn't have picked up online multiplayer games if it weren't for the lockdown. It
Hmm.
took me, I think, maybe 5 months of lockdown to pick up League. I started in August. Uh, I picked up Apex, I think, like 3 weeks after lockdown started because I wanted to do something here at home while I didn't have work. I wouldn't have picked up any of these games, and I wouldn't have streamed if lockdown hadn't started. I've been talking to my girlfriend about ideas about creating content for video games and whatever, or streaming on Twitch, but I hadn't even like made a channel or anything like that. Um, all of my efforts for that front, like got moved forward because of the lockdown. Because I get to spend almost all of my time here at home. Like 99% of my time here is at home. So yeah, yung parang that's where everything started, I guess. Like midway through lockdown is where all my plans started, and now I'm moving forward again. I feel like I'm growing more than ever because of this. So yeah, I feel like like that's what happened to me because of the lockdown.
Hmm. Ang laki talaga ng epekto nga in a way. Like, it can be positive for some people, negative for a lot of people, and kind of neutral or something interesting lang for some as well. Pero, ayun nga,
Yeah.
it's a good thing, siguro, on a certain perspective, na it's a good thing rin na parang na-push ka rin no lockdown to try some new things rather than, yung parang usual shit lang natin na
Yeah.
kunwari, kung di nag-lockdown po siya, papasok na lang ng trabaho, uuwi. Whether may work o wala, parang may usual pattern ka, tapos ito yung alam mo nang gagawin mo. So, the lockdown kind of made us do something different lang.